My video guide will provide you with help to get rid of the new ransomware called Cash. This ransomware is called Cash Ransomware because it encrypts files and appends the special extension to the file names. And this extension is actually called Cash Ransomware. So you try to open the specific file, and then you get a message indicating that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Cash Ransomware extension. The ransomware also reveals this ransom note in the form of this pop-up window. It also changes the desktop background of your computer, also indicating the ransom note in this background. So you should not pay the ransom, and you should not waste your money. Don't pay the ransom and don't waste your funds, because there is no guarantee that your funds would be restored if you pay the ransom. So don't ever do that. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install the program, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching your system. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. After you update its anti-malware database, click on the Start Scan button. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, so do not skip this very important update procedure, because this is essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware called Cash Ransomware. And then after the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on the system. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, you have anti-ransomware feature, which actually helps you to protect your data from being damaged or encrypted in the future. Now, speaking about file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover your data. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but it helps to protect your data ahead of time. So consider the premium license of Combo Cleaner for proper protection of your files with the anti-ransomware feature.